Windsor Red with Magnolia VM 3997 Connolly hides, with matching beige Wilton wool carpeting. Equipped with the renowned X-pack specification V8 Vantage engine, mated to a 5-speed ZF manual gearbox. Subsequent upgrades fitted include a factory sports exhaust and Harvey Bailey suspension enhancement, a Becker Cascade in-car entertainment system with Bluetooth, a Nardi Wood rim steering wheel, and an up-to-date vehicle tracking system. Built and delivered to agents HW Motors for supply to long-term Aston Martin V8 owner Colin Woodcock of Woodcock Brothers Wimbledon Ltd in 1987. This exceptionally well-preserved example, one of only 81 production X-pack Vantage Coupes built in right-hand drive and with manual gearbox configuration. Early maintenance history carried out by the original suppliers HW Motors from 1987 to 1990 includes the notation of a speedometer change at 12,200 miles in 1988 when just 12 months old. The mileage, after accounting for the replacement instrument, now being 54,000 miles in total. Changing hands in 1989, servicing and maintenance has subsequently been carried out by the combined services of agents Aston Martin Works and HW Motors, as well as highly regarded Aston Martin specialists, including Aston Engineering, Oselli Engineering, Chapman Spooner, and ourselves. Last changing hands in 2011 via Nicholas Mee & Company, this very well-kept example of the X-pack Vantage has been consistently maintained by Aston Martin Works and main agents while covering just 3,000 miles to today. Subjected to a full-body repaint and colour change from Suffolk Red by Aston Martin approved specialists, this extremely well-presented and beloved X-pack Vantage is available for the first time in 15 years. In an outstanding condition, when not being previously enjoyed on the open roads, this thrilling X-pack Vantage has been ideally stored in a professional, climate-controlled environment and is supplied fully serviced and prepared to our usual high standards in our heritage workshops. Documentation includes an Aston Martin factory build record, original and stamped service voucher books from 1987 through to 2020, and an extensive history file containing original and copied maintenance invoices from 2010 onwards. Photographic records and correspondence regarding the repainting and vehicle maintenance are also contained in the comprehensive leather-bound history file. The original owner's handbook, vehicle jack, tool roll and spare keys are also included. An icon of the mark, this rare X-pack V8 Vantage is available to view now and for demonstration at our Hertfordshire showrooms.